To start, remove trim handle, hub, escutcheon, and faceplate. Make sure the water supply is turned off. Put a rag in the wall under the valve to avoid water spills behind the wall. Unscrew and remove all thread with centering sleeve. Use a 21 32-inch plumber socket wrench to unscrew nut for all thread. Then use a 1 7/16 inch plumber socket to unscrew and remove the cartridge nut. Gently pull cartridge with the check valve base from the body. Use a long slotted screwdriver inside the cartridge broach to loosen the screw and remove the broach. Be careful not to lose the screw. Check the first and second ring positions of the original cartridge. Take the new cartridge and remove the broach using a long slotted screwdriver. Remove the O-ring using a pick. Be careful not to lose it. Now remove both rings off the stem of the cartridge. For a single function top outlet, set the first ring against the left side of the tab at 12 o'clock. Set the second ring between 12 and 6 on the right side of the cartridge to set the max temperature. For a single function bottom outlet, set the first ring against the right side of the tab at 12 o'clock. Set the second ring between 6 and 12 on the left side of the cartridge to set the max temperature. Place O-ring back in place to hold the rings. If using a 2 function with a top and bottom outlet, set the first ring between 6 and 12 on the left side and the second ring between 12 and 6 on the right side. Adjust to set your max temperature. Put the O-ring back on to hold the rings in place. Reinstall the original broach onto the new cartridge and tighten screw inside broach. Take the new cartridge, look at the bottom of the cartridge with check valve base. The locator post must fit into the locator hose in the body. Slide the new cartridge into the body with the up arrow and tab at 12 o'clock. Lock it in place so it cannot be rotated. Screw the cartridge nut back on and tighten firmly with a 1 7/16 plumber socket. Then screw nut for all thread back on using a 21 32-inch plumber socket wrench. Screw the existing all thread with centering sleeve back on and adjust the centering sleeve so it protrudes 5/16 of an inch past the finished wall. Remove the rag and turn water supply and check for leaks. Reinstall existing faceplates, hub, escutcheon, and handle.